Does it not? I was pushed the wrong Sakai number up there. Oh well, shoot. Okay, so this is a very arcane. Somebody clever figured this out, and it's a very arcane bug, and so we'll just dig in. Calendar's an older tool, so okay, so what I'm doing right now is I just am sort of grepping around. I knew that there's something about sequences that have exclamations in it. So I'm not like, I'm in the service. That's all the API 3617G. What's wrong with that? B edit 3617 B edit. Where's B edit? 3617 go. What file is this? Base calendar service? Base calendar event edit 3617 3617. The edit, it's just not there. Let's try it again. And I'm putting print statements in. And so if you look here, it's going to go into this thing called do description. So I've gone into the action class and I found the do description, which is called when that's clicked, and stuck a bunch of print statements in, just so I don't know anything about this code. So that's the first thing I do is put print statements in. So there we go, calendar action. So did it, oh, it compiled that time, so now I can start her up. I only got like a half hour to work on this, so who knows if I'll be able to finish it or not. I guess I can close that little guy. Okay. So I guess I should look at this code here. This is the main. So I think I will look at build main panel context. System.out, println. Because the problem, I think, is the URLs that are underneath these links right here. I'll show it to you when it comes up. And so I'm going to have to trace this through. See what the template is. So rough it out. Okay, might as well just say system.out and then template equals plus template. Not up yet. I mean, and again, if I knew how to use a debugger, my life would be simpler. I hope that somebody else one of these days does a video on how doing all this stuff using the debugger. Default view is weak. And subscriptions. Customize calendar, revise, year, month, day, week. So I think it's in build week context. Sounds like from my fan tells me that we have finished coming back up. So let's hit refresh here. Log in. Okay, so this next week. What happened? Where'd all my stuff go? It was. Oh, so we're in that week right there. So let's go ahead and inspect that one. Inspect. So that's due date, so that's a different action. So let's see if this one works. Didn't. So that's the bug right there. That somehow back to calendar. Somehow this is Wednesday, July 19th. We click on here. Let's inspect element. Yeah, there's something missing here because it's the second one in a sequence. So this should be this 19th, but it's going to be the 17th. So that's, whoa, look at that. Holy mackerel. Ooh, so that's interesting. This is coming out of base calendar edit. And there's some kind of a thing here, this 9ADD something or other. And that's pretty cool because it looks like it's computing that. So I just put those print statements in. So let's go back to the calendar. We're on the day. So somewhere in producing this page right here, this week page, we are computing something that this looks like right there, that is the second in a sequence. And I bet that somehow that has to be in here. So this event reference, oh here, hover, equals, oh wait, look at that one. So that one's got, oh, so look at that. It's got the 1. Oh, you can't see it. See the 1 there? I bet it's wrong. I bet it's supposed to be the 2. And if that were the 2, then we would see. Oh, heck, let's just see this 1. I bet if that's a 2, we just have to edit the thing. Then this will be July 17th. So the interesting thing is that one is showing, it's just showing the 1, not the 2, and that says July, oops, that's wrong, that's July 17th. It was supposed to be July 19th. Back to calendar. Let's go to July 19th. And let's look at this guy. And that is 2. Oh, now that's interesting. That looks like that would be sequence number 2. So let's go to, so this is the July 19th, and so now is that going to give us, but it says July 17th. So that's the freaky bit. Oh, event ID right there. It's a 2. It's an event. Well, that seems to be coming in correctly. It's almost like it's not doing something right here. So that's good. I'm not, well, let's just see. I think I did this before in like a week view. And let's clear all these guys out. And let's see what happens if I go to the 19th, Wednesday the 19th. Look at that. I think it's supposed to be the 2nd. I think the code is here in this detail. It's not understanding this number 2 thing. So this might be easier on, I think. So it looks like it's I think it's putting the right thing. Let's see, calendar ID. What's cal ID, folks? Cal ID. That's the calendar. Nope, and then this is this thing. So what do we get? What kind of subtype is this? It's an event. Hey, hi Glenn. That's a comment from Glenn. Event ID. Event ID, so parsing that. Okay, so that, we're going to grab the calendar. First time. Why is this first time? Why is it first time? Why is it first time? I don't know what this is. Just print stuff out. Don't think too much about it. Who knows if these have I'm really suspicion here. Okay, so I'm editing the tool. So I can go down into calendar tool, and T tool, and I can recompile just the tool, and I can redeploy just the tool, which saves me time in development. So the question is, what is this get range guy? What is a calendar event object? Okay, let's find out what a calendar event is. Okay. Look what this API gives us, and maybe dig a little bit of good stuff out of that. Display name, get location, get field, get recurrence rule, site name. No, that doesn't look good. Is there like some kind of an offset? Don't you just, is there like an offset? What would be a, no, it's not offset. Oh, okay, it's recompiled, yep, and redeployed. And so now I can go back to calendar. What? Okay, so calendar does something bad enough with state that if I reload it, I'm going to have to, I think what I have to do is I have to log out. I have to log out and log back in. It's doing something with state. It's probably doing more with state than it should. Okay, so now we're going to have to log out and log back in. Still quicker than full reboot next week. Okay. So 1, 2, and 4. That's interesting. Why is it 1, 2, and 4? But maybe 1 spec element. 1. No, I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. Okay, so that day is the 17th. Base calendar service, base calendar event. Calendar event. Okay. First time. Get range. Get range. Oh, that could be interesting. Get range, get range, get range. Time range. What's a time range? So I'm going to do that. Find dot minus name time range. Time range? Time range is a Sakai concept. So I'm going to go up a bit. Must be like a utility guy. First time, last time, duration, shift backward. What? Adjust. Totally weird. shift 4. Oh, milliseconds. No, that's not any good. The typo of interval. Okay. Does this ever work? Okay. What is a calendar subscription reference? Oh, that's a subscription, so I don't think that matters. I don't think that matters. Calendar event object get event at retrieving event ID. Retrieving event ID. Oh, wait a sec. It might be in this retrieving event ID code. Where are we? Calendar service. More action. Calendar object get event. Okay, whatever. Crap. Minus R implements dot star. Base calendar service implements calendar service. So we're looking for no. What am I looking for? I'm looking for an event. Calendar object. No, I'm looking for that. So I'm looking for base calendars. Oh, and I'm in base calendar service. So let's go here. Get event. No. What? Oh, there we go. Okay, now we're finding something. Gotta find event, where the heck that was. Okay, now we're having some fun. This is what I was looking for. Yeah. Here we go. Sequence equals 0. Oh yeah. Now you can be my friend. System.out.println time time range ain't much. Sequence is where the money's at here. Sequence equals plus sequence. Okay, so I'm going to go get the event. There's the time range. Why are we doing? Oh, here we go. Here we go. There we go. Inside the if. So one of these is probably no. That's my guess. Because it looks like whatever this thing is smart. E equals plus E time range equals plus time range. Because both of those have got to be not known. I'm going to think they're going to be time range E dot get range. What is that? That seems weird. No, it's okay. That's why I'm being suspicious. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. I had to go run an errand. Ah. Okay, we're getting close to this. Sock off. Sock on. We're getting close. So let's make sure it compiled. Yes, it did. I'm able to write Java system out printlns correctly. Something seems wrong here. E.get range. Don't get it. Let's just go to what's a recurrence instance. Resolve a time range. Oh boy. That doesn't look like it, but I like the idea of seeing a for loop here. Yeah. this happen to anyone else. Well, we're getting close. We're getting close. We are not going to give up. We're going to get there eventually. Oh, wait a sec. What happens when we go here? These guys get it right, or they just always wrong? So that one, okay, that one knows it. Okay, no. Let's go on calendar. Next week. Clear this. And go clickety-clickety. Inside the if. Holy mackerel. Inside the if. Inside the if. I'm inside the if a bunch. But it's still July 17th. Inside the if, sequence equals 2, so it knows sequence equals 2. Oh, that feels so good. That looks so good. Let's time range adjust. U dot get range. What is U dot get range? Time range, it's null, right? That's what time range looks like. Base calendar event edit sequence equals 2 inside inside inside. It's like, oh lordy, lordy, lordy. What are we doing with this adjusting of timing? Oh, look at that. It even knows that it's 7. It's 7:19. Is that right? Then this here, if that's that. What is going on? What is going on here? What is recurrence instance? Oh, that's good. It's impl. And that's an impl. Constructor. Well, that doesn't tell us much. It's just a range and a sequence. That's a time range. Oh, but we already looked at that. So I'm going to say here is think this is get day. We'll see. Compiler error if I got it wrong. I'm almost running out of time on this. I have to come back to it. Get day. Devil. So. Just put it out. We'll figure out what it is later. We'll get see what type it is, and then we'll look at what the methods are in that type. This is it's very maddening when you're looking for like the tiniest of bugs. We'll find it. It'll be like a line out of order or something. Just keep on going, down, 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 more print statements, and figure it out. No, we're bored, so let's catch up on Twitter. I figured this out at the previous time, right? Back in November. Yep. Nothing. Nothing. No, next week. So it's funny. Like, look, I'm doing it like a couple of times. Inside that if. It's 7/19, which should be that Wednesday. So that's that time. There just seems to be a lot of action here. Oh, look, it's running through the sequence. It sees all these guys. It must be making something with all these events. And then we want to find that event ID roles. Why is this 0718? Oh, that is but that one's been adjusted. Alright. So we are in. So now I'm getting a little bit out here. So I think that's it. Yeah, okay, so there we go. So that's a get event. That's a get event. 17.2 returns. This is 7. Nice. Okay. Gotta go.